Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been really into like graphic eyeliner lately, but I've never really done it. So I went on Pinterest and looked up a bunch of different pictures, took some inspiration, and this is what I came up with. So if you want to know how I created this today, then keep on watching. Alright, let's start off with the face. So first I'm going to prime using my Benefit Professional Primer. Now I'm going to go in with some of my ColourPop No Filter foundation and blend it out using my Morphe M439 brush. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of my ColourPop No Filter concealer. I'm going to blend this out using my Morphe M173 brush. While we're here, I'm going to quickly prime my eyes with that same brush and my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. Now I'm going to set where we conceal using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 05 and my Morphe E48 brush. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face using my Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder and my Morphe M527 brush. Now I'm quickly going to contour using my Morphe E4 brush and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. Now I'm just going to quickly set my eyelids with the shade Virgin from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette. For blush, like usual, going into the ColourPop Super Shock blush in the shade Holiday on my Morphe M405 brush. Alright, let's get started on the eyes. So I was looking up a bunch of pictures on Pinterest for graphic eyeliners and I came across a bunch of them that I really like, but I'm going to just first add in a concept that I saw from one of them, which is add color before the actual eyeliner, like around it, I guess. So I'm going to go in with the Makeup of Murder Neon Pink Poison Pigment and map out the shape of the eyeliner that I'm going to do. I might do two different ones on each eye, I'm not sure yet, but we'll see where it goes. So I'm just taking a small little flat brush and the pink pigment. You know what? I'm not going to look back at the picture, I'm just going to create my own lines and work with it how I feel looks good. From time to time I am taking a flat brush and pinching it together to make it as flat as possible and then getting it a little wet and dipping into the pigment to make it have more of a sharper shape. I did that with the wings on both of these sides. I'm going to do it with all the wings that I make. Okay, I'm going to add some details in the crease as well, just another line with some more wings coming out of it. Alright, I really like how this is turning out, so now I'm going to go in with some black eyeliner and just go inside of all these lines. Basically trace them, but just like keep the pink outline. Okay, I'm done with the eyes, aside from lashes, which I may or may not do, I'm not sure yet, but now let's move on to the rest of the face. So I'm going to highlight today using a bunch of different highlighters. I want to be glowing to the gods, glowing to space, so I am of course going to use Ranch from the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette because that is super duper bright and I just love how that looks. So I'm going to first start out with some other ones and then use that one last. So I'm going to first go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit and pick up the shades Marshmallow and Starburst just to give a nice whitish pinky base, I guess. So really going to coat the brush, and I'm going to spray the brush as well with a little bit of my Urban Decay All Nighter. I am of course going to drag this underneath my eyebrow. Now I'm going to layer Ranch on top of these highlighters. Alright, and for lips I'm going to use a black liquid lipstick, but I'm going to add a pink line just down the center. here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe, hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!